I have the waterproof one, but it muffles a lot of the sound.
Oh. Okay.
So, I mean, it's good for, I think it's 3 or 6 feet.
You can't capture the screaming with the...
Yeah, I used it
I like
one
it, you
time.
got an audio indicator to tell you when it's on or off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's a red flashing light too, so.
Yeah, but it's on your opposite side.
Yeah.
So unless he listens to you, you don't know.
Go port 2. Up. Port 1. Port 1. Port 2. Stop. Port 2. Stop.
That was a surprise, man! Roadway!
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's underwater.
Yeah. That's where we go for lunch.
Oh my god. I heard that it was.
I think you need a new spot.
Well, no, depends how long
Just
it's
gonna
been.
wait.
Lower a little bit.
Yep.
Makes the bear angry. There's no food and all that goodness.
Huh?
Makes the bear angry.
Well, there's not supposed to be any left
Yeah, there's
over.
not supposed to be.
Everything you bring in, you take out.
I
with you.
know.
Oh my gosh, we're just starting to dry out. That wave came out of nowhere. Yeah.
You want to be dry?
Don't.
That's a pretty one.
Mhm.
Nice little shower there.
Ready? Go port 1. Port 1. One more.
Someone's being dry.
Dry out and then...
Hey, you have any dry spots yet left? No?
You?
Oh yeah.
Port 2.